Edinburgh, Scotland's showcase capital city, the economic powerhouse of the country. Home to Louis Vuitton, organised shoplifting, heavy pickles and Jenners, and Scotland's fourth biggest roundabout. That's why the city needs a 20th century transport infrastructure to equip our city for the many challenges that lie ahead. At speeds almost faster than a bus, the trams will connect key icons such as that gallery thing on the mound and the Gothic splendour of Murrayfield Stadium, a state-of-the-art facility hosting top-class sporting events, up to 3 times a year. Isn't that cute? It is a mother tram giving birth to a baby tram. Tram stops will feature real-time departure boards, automatic ticket dispensers and high-speed public Wi-Fi access. But there are no toilets, so you'll just have to piss into your hands and take it home with you. Edinburgh City Council understands the short-term pain of the tramworks on local commerce. We care about small businesses and are developing close working relationships with our small business stakeholders impacted by the works. The message is clear. Edinburgh is open for business. The £500 million 17-kilometre network will increase personal connectivity by 23.7% over the next 13 years and will link key locations such as Edinburgh Airport, Royal Bank of Scotland at Goulburn, the lively Vesta Hales district, cosmopolitan George Street, the iconic Princess Street, cosmopolitan George Street, and the historic Port of Leith. In order to maintain the key economic comparative advantage against other European capital cities, Edinburgh needs a high-quality integrated public transport system. Edinburgh needs trams. Since the Trams Bill received assent from First Minister Alex Salmond, Transport Secretary Nicola Sturgeon and the Scottish Cabinet on 22nd April 2007, work has been continuing apace. In just half the time and just a quarter of the cost of the Apollo space program, we are committed to delivering a state-of-the-art rapid transport system for our capital city fit for the 20th century. Edinburgh Trams, moving Edinburgh forward.